Welcome to the Himalayan snowstorm trek. Weather forecast, sunny with a chance of blizzard. Meet Bob, armed with a selfie stick, hoping to impress Instagram, and Phil, his weather-blind friend. At base camp, locals warn of storms. Bob suggests maybe it's just dramatic mountain weather. The wind whispers, foreshadowing. Both ignore it and post #EpicAdventure. Hours in, snow falls softly, like powdered sugar on a deadly cake. Phil asks, "Did you bring extra socks?" Bob says no, just optimism. Visibility, now 0. Bob can't see his own bold hashtag. Suddenly, blizzard. Instagram stops updating, but the snow sure doesn't. Desperation, Bob proposes, "Let's build a snow cave." Phil, like festive hermits? They furiously dig with energy bars and elbows. Progress, questionable. Inside their snow fortress, morale plummets, but at least it's not boring anymore. Phil invents a new sport, extreme shivering. Night falls. Bob's phone battery dies, unlike their sarcastic banter. Survivors regroup. "Next time," says Phil, "let's try a beach." Snow caves, not on the official itinerary, but definitely Instagrammable. If only Wi-Fi worked, subscribe for more.